Hi guys, Barbara here from Barbara Makes Crafts, and I'm just so thankful that you have joined my channel today. And today we are going to be making bows out of wired ribbon, and these will look perfect on your Christmas packages. I do love this Christmas plaid. I'm gonna use a different ribbon this time, but I don't know that that matters. And all you need is your ribbon and your scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here I have some candy cane ribbon. I love candy canes. I just love this Christmas time of year. And it's wired. I have not tried this with the non-wired ribbon, but the wired ribbon works great. So what we're gonna do, I still have it on my roll, and depending on the size of your bow that you want to make, first step is to make a circle like that. I'm going to make probably a medium-sized bow. And then at the minimum, you want to go around 8 times around that circle. Cut that off right there. And flatten it out. And then we're going to take and cut the corners off. You will want to use some good sturdy scissors, especially when you get to that wire and all these layers. Your craft scissors probably will not do that. Okay, so we're going to do that on this side. Then you want to flatten it so those cutouts are right there together. Put a piece of ribbon around like that. Just move it up under like that so you get it good and sturdy in there. And then you just start twisting your pieces. You can start with the inner layers or the outer layers. Just smooth them out, twist them however you want. Actually turning mine inside out because I put the inside out when I was rolling it up. And then just fluff it how you want it. How you want it to look. These will be perfect on your Christmas gifts. And everybody will think they're store-bought. You can say, no, I made it. So there you go. There, I do have a couple little tails sticking down. I happen to like that, but you can cut them off if you don't. Very easy. So there you have it. Easy bow. You could do that in 5 minutes on a break from work or nap time, whatever time you have, evening time in front of the TV. Just super, super easy, and everybody will be impressed with it. So yeah, that's it. And I just want to thank you for joining my YouTube channel. And if you will, just hit that subscribe button below and the little bell so that you can get notifications when I put out new videos. I am planning several crafts in the next couple of weeks to make, and they will be fun. I've got a couple of fantastic ones coming up that I cannot wait to show you, making your own Christmas cards. I've got a Christmas plaid tumbler to make that I think you will just enjoy. So and if while you're down there hitting that subscribe button, just hit that like button so I'll know what you want more of and what you want less of. And also questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. And I really don't have any links to this. I can link to some ribbon on Amazon, but you know, you can pick it up anywhere, Michael's, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, just anywhere you are. So yeah, just a simple, easy bow. And I will see you next time. And until then, happy crafting.